Welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Create video with AI feature available in Clipchamp, a smart and fast way to build stunning videos using just your ideas and media. Step 1. From the Clipchamp homepage, click on Create Video with AI. This tool helps you quickly make a video by guiding you through a simple process using artificial intelligence. Step 2. Enter a short description of your video, like Trip to Motor Museum. This tells the AI what your video is about and helps it design the structure and theme. Step 3. Upload your media by dragging in your images or video clips. Even if you just have photos, Clipchamp will turn them into a complete video using transitions and effects. Step 4. Choose a style for your video like modern, sleek, or let Clipchamp pick one for you. Then select your video length, orientation, and click Next to move forward. Step 5. Now pick a background track and font style. You can preview each one before selecting, so choose what best fits your theme. Then click play to watch your video come to life. Step 6. If you're happy, go ahead and export the video in 1080p. Or if you'd like to make changes, open it in the timeline editor to adjust text, timing, or transitions before saving or uploading. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more easy and powerful tech tutorials.